India has managed a small but significant relief, and this comes amid rising tensions in the Gulf. The Indian-flagged oil tanker MT Desh Garima has safely crossed the strategically crucial Strait of Hormuz, even as the region witnesses escalating security concerns and firing incidents at sea. The tanker, carrying 31 Indian crew members, is now on its way to Mumbai. It is expected to reach between April 21 and 22 after completing a routine 3 to 4 day voyage from the Gulf region through the Arabian Sea. Its safe passage comes as a reassurance at a time when maritime movement in the region has become increasingly unpredictable. The Strait of Hormuz remains a critical choke point for global energy supplies, with a large portion of the world's oil passing through it every day. And any disruption here has a direct impact on global fuel prices and supply chains. Several ships are now delaying their journeys or avoiding the route altogether due to the volatile situation, and India is also closely monitoring developments. It has even taken up the matter to ensure the safety of its vessels and crew in the region. Well, for more on this, our principal correspondent Disha Yadav has sent us this report. Listen to this.
In a recent development, Indian flag tanker MT Desh Garima has successfully crossed the Strait of Hormuz and is expected to reach India's financial capital city Mumbai by tomorrow or day after. In fact, it started its journey on April 18th with 31 Indian members on board. However, the situation still continues to remain volatile at the high-risk zone and in the country's busiest oil corridor. Two more Indian-linked vessels that had attempted the same route had to go back because they came under firing. However, no injuries have been reported as per the Indian authorities. However, the situation continues to remain grim. Like I said, many Indian-linked ships are still in the region. They are trying to get the safe passage out there. In fact, but there have also been successful movements. At least 10 vessels have already reached India since early of March after clearing the Strait of Hormuz.